Gretchen, and I came here from Indianapolis, Minnesota, and I'm here on MasterChef, and it's one of my first dreams, and I know I could do this. I have the best tastes in this place, and I can smell a fart from a mile away.
It's gonna be like she cut a whole bag of onions because she's gonna cry so much when I become magic chef. Yeah.
One of my special ingredients.
Oh, hi. I'm Bubba Svensamil. I'm your next magic chef.
This is another one of my favorite ingredients, butter flavored Crisco. It doesn't taste like butter. When I'm not using it to cook with, I use it on my spit curl. Chef Ramsay tells us to taste everything.
We're doing America's favorite. We're gonna take some ramen noodles. This is cup of noodles. Chicken flavor. And we're gonna turn that into a very special meal.
Complex dishes. I want to see technique. I want it all.
Yes, chef. I know my dish is better than his. He's a pain in my slow cooker. But I'll tell you what, if there was a taste test side by side, I think I would win. I think this is going to be one of my best dishes ever. This is one of the things that I grew up with. It doesn't matter if a little bit of protein gets in there with the eggshells, because it just helps your bones grow.
Lift the lid, pour the water in, let her soak up really good. And close that over. I already have my water heated. Okay, so the next step, while that's setting, we're gonna get our veggies.
There's a lot riding on your shoulders, and you've been a front runner. And right now, you're definitely not, especially with a dish like that. Your sauces are pure; they scream of their ingredients.
Chef Ramsay tells us to taste everything.
Gretchen found a new ingredient. The bloody hell? You cook like a donkey.
Yes, chef. Chef Ramsay tells us to taste everything. Chef Ramsay tells us to taste everything.
And now, the special twist to this meal is, it's an old family secret. Let's just call it Bubba rice.
That's delicious.
Now, this is made special, so it's the only thing that's going to work real good with this ramen noodle technique. That Gretchen thinks she's a magic chef. She makes food disappear. The landfills are full of her cooking.
And you've made this before.
No, chef.
Now you're gonna make us eat it.
Yes, chef. I'm going to plate it now. I'm going to use these little pieces of egg flakes that most people throw away as special additions.
It's delicious. They're very clever.
I can't believe it's not butter. I think this is going to be a winning dish.
Season well, but It's not a cohesive dish.
I think this is one of my better dishes. I hope Chef Ramsay likes mine the best.
That dish was phenomenal.
Thank you, Chef.
Take that and put it in a nice little bowl.
30 seconds to go.
See, we want to take this cilantro look-alike. That's what gave me the inspiration. Okay.
Josh, you've got to plate.
Chef Ramsay tells us to taste everything.
Anyway, I deserve to be Master Chef.
With what you were given, you made something that was rustic and homey. Good job.
For himself. You know, people always wondered what inspired me to cook. It's people like that Gretchen. She's no cook. She's no match for the master.
I really don't care about that other yahoo. I fought tooth and mitt to get here on this show, and I'm not going to let go.
Little Gretchen, you're gonna be a bitchin' when I take your spot where you think you belong.
Oh, I'll step right over that guy, and I don't even give a care what he does.
The next Magic Chef.
I deserve to be Master Chef.
Whether you're a Magic Chef fan or a Master Chef fan or any other kind of fan, we love your comments. And make sure you always subscribe to Las Vegas Metal Flossers on YouTube.